Welcome to my channel. I'm Sunny, and wow, it's been so long since I made a video. I don't even know how to do an intro anymore. So for today's video, I am going to be sharing with you 3 room decor ideas that you can do yourself. You don't have to have any special skills or anything like that. These 3 ideas are very simple. They're just a little bit time consuming, so I would suggest that you put your favorite show, your favorite movie, your favorite music, your favorite podcast, preaching, anything you like to make that time go faster. I really had so much fun making these, and I hope you enjoy these ideas. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started. ideas, let me know in a comment down below which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. I really like them all and I enjoyed making all of them, but if I had to choose, I would choose the glass jar because I think it looks like something you could find at TJ Maxx or Marshall's or a store like that for like $12 to $15, and we just made it for less than $5. I'm thinking I could also do like a set and maybe get a smaller jar and do the exact same thing and put them in my kitchen with like cookies or candies inside. And also, let's take a second to talk about the tag idea. Like, I think this gives it like a much more legit look, in my opinion, and you could write so many things. You could write a name, write a cute little message for your special one, a Bible verse. You could write so many things to it and make it even more special to you or somebody else. You could give this as a gift as well, and you know, Christmas coming soon, so definitely the glass jar was my favorite, but I like them all, as I said, and I want to know which one was your favorite as well. I almost forgot to mention that I recently opened up a new Instagram account, so there I'm going to be posting more photos of the projects that I had made or future projects, also like sneak peeks. I'm also going to be posting video announcements, and also it's going to be an easier way to kind of connect with you guys, and you could also leave me private messages or video requests that you guys have. Keep up with everything that I'm doing and all of my plans and everything that's going on in here, which is a lot. So yeah, you can go ahead and follow me there. I'm going to be leaving the link down in the description box and also right here. Thank you again for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!